Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to disable Prime Video marketing and promotional offers. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Simply to disable the promotional offers, initially what you have to do is simply hover over your profile name on the nav bar and something like this will open up. From here, there's something like your account, and just below it is account and settings. Simply click on the button right here and this will open up. That's account and settings. As you can see, there are lots of tabs here like your accounts, orders, players and everything. But right now what we want to scroll over is directly to communications. Once you're in the communications tab, you'll see something like Prime Video marketing and promotional offers. I'm simply gonna disable it. The button's right here. I'm just gonna click on it. And guys, that's it. That's how we disable Prime Video marketing and promotional offers in your Amazon Prime account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.